Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to screen share on your iPhone or iPad screen on iOS 15.1. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a really useful feature in times where you want to show someone how to do something or walk through a process. Before we start, let's make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest version, which is iOS 15.1. Anything lower than that, you won't see this option during your FaceTime call. You can do this by going into your settings, then general, then software update to confirm the version number. Now let's open up the FaceTime app. Start a FaceTime call with a friend or a family member. Once connected, tap on the fifth icon that looks like a square and a person next to it. Then tap on Share My Screen. A counter will start and the screen share feature will start. Your screen will be shared with the person you're FaceTiming with. The other person can see what you're doing on your iPhone and what apps you open. It is quite impressive as the experience is really smooth and there is not much lag on it. It can handle any apps, to be honest, whether it is a game app or a social media app. To end your screen share session, tap on the same button again to end it. And that is how to screen share on your iPhone or iPad screen on iOS 15.1. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.